Autograph, plus skip up last. Read my mic, keep my sight, and if it never leaves your right, just treat me right. Peace.
So I'm going to first start by mounting the trucks to the board. Then I will match the enclosures so I can drill the holes for it, and the ESC too. Alright, so let's go ahead and mount the trucks. The riser pads first. Here, then the truck. Right. So here I got the front truck mounted. Moving now to the back trucks. So right up first, then here. So here. Now let's go ahead and set up the electronics. So these connectors goes here. These are the sensor wires. Alright, I have a 10S2P here that I built. I'm gonna use that. So let's quickly give it a try first. A little bit of sparks. We got the on and on button here and the battery indicator right here. Battery fully charged, and then let's power on the remote. Blinking, so we are connected. The first time I had one motor going this way and the other one going that way, so playing with the wires ended up working great. So here, as you can see, place this antenna wire. I guess I have to stick this somewhere outside. These wires are gonna be like that. Okay. Okay, one thing I haven't mentioned about this motor is the fact that they are PU replaceable. So if these motors get used, I can easily swap the urethane and replace new ones without needing to replace the motors. So that's a good thing. All right, so now I'll quickly match up the battery. Let me take out the battery, line it somewhere here, close to center as I can. So about that. All right, so all right. I'll stick this in here, right here. All right, so next I'm going to solder the charging port. Also, if you have one of these, make sure you check the charging port if the positive input on this pin matches the color over here, because they did a mistake with this. When I checked, I found out that the positive is this, the black wire, and the negative is the red. Alright, so the negative is connected. So the charging port is connected. Let's try it. Alright, so this one turns to orange. So charging port is okay. Got this bolt sticking out. Now I'm gonna go ahead and match the foam pad through the bolt. Here. Then we go ahead and place the battery. I don't know if I should leave this like that. Yeah, for now. Okay, so here. So I got this mounted. So I'm going to add some I'm now running an extension wire to connect it like somewhere between the battery and the ESC, so I can easily disconnect and connect to an external battery for extra range. I do that already with my old board and it works great. Alright, so let's shrink this down. Then the foam pad. so now here is the board. The ESC has a feature that lets you turn on the board by just spinning one wheel. This way, as you can see, if you spin the wheel, the ESC powers on. Don't need to bend down to hit the button. So yeah, pretty nice build. I gotta test it to see how it compares to the belt drive. So yeah, also need a cover for the charging port. Always do with some crazy glue the bottle. I use a knife and then I cut around, right? So as you can see, then I use this as a cover. Build this over. I'm now gonna have to take it out for a spin. Let's do this.
Memories die out too hard, but we were traveling